Are you looking for the best RV water filter or portable water softener to keep your water clean and safe while traveling? Wondering how to protect your plumbing, appliances, and even your health when using unfamiliar water hookups? That's exactly what we're here to help with today. Whether you're in an RV, camper, cabin, or even a small apartment, having reliable water filtration on the go is essential. Most RV parks, campgrounds, and rental spaces have hard water, bad tasting water, or worse, water contaminated with sediment, iron, and other unwanted minerals. That can mean stained sinks, clogged fixtures, damage to your RV's plumbing, and skin or hair irritation. At Water Filters of America, we offer a full line of high quality, American made RV filters and portable water softeners designed specifically for travelers and off grid living. Our filters tackle everything from basic sediment removal to removal of iron and manganese, while our portable softeners handle hard water with ease, making your showers and dishwashing far more pleasant. We carry compact inline water filters that are perfect for easy hookup at campsites, as well as small but powerful portable softeners that can be recharged and reused over and over. These aren't the cheap, gimmicky filters you might see at a big box store. Our systems are designed for real results, with the same high standards we use in full-sized home water treatment. We have additional videos where we dive deeper into how portable water softeners work, how to properly install and maintain your RV filters, and the differences between basic carbon filters and full multi-stage filtration systems. We'll also explain how to tell if your water has iron, sulfur, or other hidden contaminants, and what type of filter works best in those situations. Or, if you're not sure what size or type of RV filter or softener you need, and you don't want to spend your time watching videos, you can simply give us a call at 1-800-684-0979. Our expert team is here 7 days a week to walk you through your options with no sales pressure, just honest advice to get your water clean and safe, no matter where your travels take you. And be sure to check out our website for even more detailed information and tips on choosing the perfect RV filter system.